India has its own forensic team, Pakistan has its own forensic team, and different countries have their own forensic team. तो हमारे देश में अगर तो कुछ मैसेकर होता है, कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता है, तो हमारी forensic team will be mobilized, and if something happens on the other side, then their forensic teams will be mobilized, which is evident that they will perhaps be biased. What do you have to say to that?
See,
because they want to project a good image of any
I completely
nation.
understand. Now, that is the beauty of forensic. It is scientific based. कोई चीज आपको मिली है, for example, a missile or a debris which is there, fine, and eventually, if it is said कि भाई the other country says कि नहीं हमने तो नहीं किया है, but debris आया है, उसमें उसका make model रहता है, the electronic structure in that, और कहाँ से, मतलब देर आर यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन. एक छोटा सा बाल भी लेते हैं तो ये एक यूनिक आइडेंटिफिकेशन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर सैंपल में पानी का आइसोटोप पता चलता है, फाइन. सो देर आर सर्टन मिनरल्स विच आर फाउंड इन सर्टन एरियाज. तो आफ्टर हेयर एनालिसिस वो चीज़ें भी पता चलती है. तो इट इज गोइंग टू डायरेक्टली लिंक टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सॉइल एनालिसिस. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं, एंड आई कंप्लीटली अंडरस्टैंड कि ये एक आएगा कि बायस्ड, बट बायस्ड आप साइंस में कैसे बायस्ड कर सकते हो?
पर वो तो मेरे देश ने किया है या किसी की देश में. When I say मेरा, I mean to say I could be any state player. When I say मेरा मतलब my nation, whether it's from Pakistan, whether it's in India, whether it is Israel, whether it is Hamas, anything. मेरे देश ने, मेरी फोरेंसिक टीम ने एनालिसिस किया है, तो there will be an element of wanting to project the best.
Now, I'll tell you, see, entire forensic analysis, जितने भी आप subject लेते हैं, there are standard methods, right? There's a standardization which is global. कि ये एक evidence को इस तरीके से treat करना, उसके बाद में ये testing, उसके बाद में ये testing, that steps have to be followed. And there are tools, techniques, softwares which are there. तो जो भी in the end conclusion आता है, it has to be substantiated with facts and figures.
Which are international.
Which are internationally standardized.
Okay.
So even if a sample is being tried to bias, there would be missing links, which would be a big question mark in the type of the analysis which is being done. So that eventually India as a country would definitely not do it when they want to prove that this is happening because of the other side attacks and other side activities and capturing and the disrest which they are trying to create inside a country.
Is this also being judged by a third party, an arbitrary body? कि भाई तुम्हारा तो अपना forensic team है, तुमने अपना कर लिया है. Now we're going to corroborate those evidences to see कि भाई are they actually meeting the international standards? To say कि you have done it and we have not done it.
Of course, there are international criminal courts, ICJ, that is International Court of Justice. तो यहाँ पे it is like exactly a court जो हमारे nation में होता है. There are different country people and there are high level forensic experts and engineers who are sitting there who would evaluate each and every set of evidence there. Number one, not only the evidence, there would be eyewitnesses of different countries.
Okay.
So same exact which is done internally in a country is done at a international level. And there, if there are lacunas, it would be immediately pointed out.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.